Are you feeling sluggish, dealing with bloating, or maybe noticing changes in your skin like acne or dark spots? It could be your liver. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, but did you know that too much sugar, alcohol, or processed foods can harm it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover 2 simple detox drinks you can make at home and a powerful salad that will help cleanse your liver naturally. Plus, I'll share key supplements to include in your daily routine for optimal liver health. You don't want to miss this. Have you ever wondered what the signs of an unhealthy liver are? How do you know if your liver is in trouble? Well, your body gives you signals. Some common signs of liver imbalance include skin inflammation, acne, digestive issues, and fatigue. Over time, serious conditions like jaundice, cirrhosis, or even liver cancer can develop. But the good news is you can take action now. Today, I'm going to share some simple but effective natural remedies and lifestyle tips that can help detox and rejuvenate your liver. Your liver is like the superhero of your body, responsible for over 500 different tasks, including filtering toxins, metabolizing drugs, and breaking down fats and sugars. It even produces bile, which helps in digestion. However, when your liver becomes overloaded, whether from too much sugar, alcohol, or a poor diet, it can lead to fatty liver disease, which can cause issues like high cholesterol, digestive problems, and even more serious complications. Let me ask you another question. Have you ever seen someone with yellow eyes? That yellowish tint is called jaundice, and it can be a sign that your liver isn't functioning properly. This happens when the liver can't break down a substance called bilirubin, causing it to build up in the bloodstream. But don't worry. You can start helping your liver function better with just a few natural remedies, and I'm going to share them with you in a minute. Make sure to stick around because you'll also learn about an amazing detox tea and a salad that are super easy to make at home and incredibly effective for liver health. Before we dive into the solutions, let's talk about what causes liver imbalances in the first place. Some of the biggest culprits are alcohol. It's no secret that alcohol can take a toll on your liver. Excess sugar. Did you know sugar is one of the most harmful substances for your liver? When you consume too much sugar, it gets stored in your liver as fat. Over time, this can lead to fatty liver disease. Obesity. Carrying too much weight puts additional pressure on your liver and can lead to inflammation and scarring. If you notice symptoms like constant fatigue, digestive issues, or even dry, bloodshot eyes, your liver may need some extra care. Now, let's get into the part you've been waiting for. I'm going to share 2 simple drinks that you can prepare at home to naturally detox your liver. These drinks are packed with ingredients that have scientifically proven benefits to support liver health. Liver Detox Tea Recipe. To make this tea, you'll need 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 3 fresh peppermint leaves, 1 cup of boiling water. Let everything steep for about 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You can drink this tea early in the morning and in the evening. Ginger contains gingerol, which reduces inflammation and protects your liver from cellular damage. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and helps your liver flush out toxins. Lemon juice and peppermint aid digestion and help further detoxify the liver. Here's the second recipe. A salad that's not only delicious but great for your liver. Ingredients: 1 cup of grated beetroot, 1/2 cup of sliced cucumber, 1 cup of pomegranate seeds, 1/2 cup of fresh parsley and mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Toss all of these ingredients together, and you have a liver-boosting salad. Beetroot is loaded with betalains, which reduce liver inflammation, while pomegranate seeds and cucumber have powerful cleansing effects. Parsley, mint, and pumpkin seeds add a nutritional boost, making this salad a daily must-have. You can have this salad along with your detox tea daily for 7 days. These recipes are safe and come with no side effects. While these natural remedies are great, it's important to support your liver on a daily basis with supplements that promote detoxification and overall liver health. Here are a few I highly recommend. Milk thistle. This plant is famous for its liver protective properties. It's loaded with silymarin, an antioxidant that helps regenerate liver cells. Dandelion root. This helps stimulate bile production and promotes detoxification. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, an antioxidant that reduces liver inflammation and boosts liver health. Incorporating these supplements into your daily routine can help your liver function optimally. Your diet plays a huge role in liver health. Here are some tips. Eat more organic fruits and vegetables. Sweet fruits like pears and melons are excellent for liver cleansing. Avoid foods with preservatives, processed sugars, and alcohol, which put extra stress on your liver. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep everything running smoothly. Making small adjustments to your lifestyle, like avoiding late-night snacking, smoking, and processed foods, can also make a big difference. Remember, sleep is crucial. Aim to get to bed by 9 p.m. and ensure your body has time to heal and rejuvenate. Lastly, to keep your liver healthy in the long run, you need to make some lifestyle changes. Start by cutting back on alcohol, staying away from high sugar and processed foods, and making exercise a regular part of your routine. Even moderate weight loss, just 3–5% of your body weight, can significantly improve your liver health. And here's a bonus tip. Apple cider vinegar can do wonders for your liver. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 11 ounces of water. Add some chia seeds, a little cinnamon, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This drink will help balance your glucose levels and keep you feeling full longer, aiding in weight loss and overall liver detoxification. So there you have it. By incorporating these liver detox teas, salads, and supplements into your daily routine, you're taking a huge step toward better liver health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips. Your liver will thank you.